You ever finish your day and just feel like completely out of power? Not just tired, but like your brain and body both gave up. You get home, drop on the couch, and do nothing. Maybe you scroll your phone for hours. Maybe you just sit there, staring at the wall. You tell yourself you'll do something useful later, but suddenly, it's bedtime, and you've done nothing for yourself. I used to feel like that every day. Even when I slept a lot, I still woke up tired. It felt like my energy never came back. Then I realized it's not just about resting, it's about how you rest. So, I changed a few small things and make a habit to do these 7 things. Number 1, the fake commute. I used to hate going to work because of the long distance, but when it stopped, I noticed it actually helped me switch off. That time between leaving work and reaching home helped my brain slowly relax. It's like my body stopped working, but my brain didn't. So I made a fake commute. Every day after work, I go for a short 10-minute walk. No phone, no noise, just me and my thoughts. It sounds silly, but it really helps. That walk tells my brain, work is over, it's me time now. Number 2, the couch trap. You sit down for just a minute, and suddenly it's midnight. That used to happen to me every single day. So I made a rule. Before I touch the couch, I have to do one small thing for myself. Like, stretch a little, make food, play one song and dance, even if I look stupid. It doesn't matter what it is. Doing something small breaks the lazy loop. And when I finally rest, I feel good about it instead of guilty. Number 3, use music to switch off. Music changes everything. One song can make you feel calm or happy again. So I made a little after-work playlist that tells my brain it's time to relax. It starts slow, but then gets more fun. It reminds me that life isn't just work and sleep. It's about feeling alive too. Number 4, save your energy for yourself. For years, I gave all my best energy to work. My focus, my patience, everything. By the time I got home, I had nothing left. Then I asked myself, why am I giving my best to a job that would replace me in 2 weeks? So I changed. I still do my work well, but I don't stress over every small thing. And guess what? Nothing bad happened. But I had more energy left for my day. Number 5, learn to say no. A lot of tiredness doesn't come from work. It comes from saying yes to everything. Plans you don't want to go to. Extra tasks you didn't need to take. I used to feel bad for saying no. Now I say it nicely. Thanks, but I'm keeping tonight for myself. And people are fine with it. Now I have more time and more peace. Number 6, real rest, not scrolling. I used to think lying on the couch with my phone was rest. But after an hour of scrolling, I felt even more tired. That's not rest, that's just noise. So I replaced it with real rest. Reading a few pages, writing a few thoughts down, listening to music, or just lying there doing nothing. It sounds boring, but it feels peaceful. My brain finally gets to relax. Final, something to look forward to. My evenings used to feel empty, just waiting for the next day. Work, eat, scroll, sleep, repeat. So I started giving myself something small to look forward to. A hobby, a show I like, a good game, anything that made the evening feel like mine. And that small thing made my nights feel special again. So, being tired isn't just because you work hard. It's because you don't recharge the right way. For a long time, I thought this feeling was normal, like part of being an adult, but it's not. That's not living, that's just surviving. Rest doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing what helps you feel better. Scrolling your phone isn't rest, it just eats your time. Your time after work is yours. It's when you get to be you. So don't wait for the weekend to feel alive. Try one of these things, even just one, because you don't just need rest, you need real recovery. If this video spoke to you, even a little, then maybe it's time to stop surviving and start living again.